Hi everyone, and welcome to Info New Zealand. It has been a long time since I talked to you about what you need before you come to New Zealand. Let's discuss recent update about the Accredited Employer Work Visa, AEWV. The AEWV is a visa that allows employers to bring skilled migrants to New Zealand to work for them. What is the AEWV? The AEWV is a new visa that was introduced in July 2022. It replaces 6 previous work visas, and it's designed to make it easier for employers to bring skilled migrants to New Zealand. Who can apply for the AEWV? Any employer can apply for the AEWV, as long as they meet the following requirements. They must be a New Zealand company or organization. They must be able to demonstrate that they have a genuine need for the skilled migrant worker. They must be able to pay the skilled migrant worker the New Zealand median wage. They must be able to demonstrate that they have tried to recruit a New Zealander for the role, but have been unable to find a suitable candidate. What are the requirements for the AEWV? The requirements for the AEWV are as follows. The skilled migrant worker must have a job offer from an accredited employer. The skilled migrant worker must meet the English language requirements. The skilled migrant worker must pass a medical examination. The skilled migrant worker must pay the visa application fee. How to apply for the AEWV? To apply for the AEWV, you will need to do the following. Complete an employer accreditation application. Complete a job check. Invite the skilled migrant worker to apply for the visa. The skilled migrant worker will need to complete a visa application. It's a faster and more streamlined process than previous work visas. It's more flexible, as it allows employers to bring skilled migrants to New Zealand for up to 3 years. It's more affordable, as the visa application fee is lower than previous work visas. So, it is the best chance for you to take that opportunity while employers in New Zealand are benefiting from it. So, don't be late, things can change at any point. Don't be rushed as well, since you better do good enough research before your decision. I hope this will help. I am not an immigration advisor, so consider this just some helpful information. See you soon.